ChatGPT Canvas can be used with anything. Anything, Corbin, I mean anything. We can now do PDFs, Excel sheets, images, everything you could think of using Canvas with ChatGPT. Therefore, let's learn how we can start leveraging ChatGPT Canvas with any type of file. Welcome back, y'all. So in this video, we're going to learn how we can start leveraging Canvas within ChatGPT past coding. Therefore, I want to do 3 major tests here. First one, let's see how good it can analyze images in this new user interface. I have some floor plans here of a random house. We're going to see if it can actually read this, understand it. Second one here is going to be from an Excel sheet, CSV sheet, Google sheet, whatever it may be. Can this read this data and provide us relevant answers within this new Canvas UI? This one being an annual profit and loss statement. And finally, we'll do a research paper that is a PDF file to see how well this can analyze PDF files in this new UI. And ironically, the purpose of this research paper is the dangers of artificial intelligence. So are you dangerous, ChatGPT? Yes? No? Maybe? Knowing all that, I'll make sure to leave a card right there and the description down below. If you want to see how to leverage this in the context of coding, I have a whole separate video for that. So check that out. Let's do the first file. First file we'll do here is that research paper, PDF-based file. Attach. Make sure we have ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas selected. Then we're going to go ahead and prompt. Now, personally, what I've noticed is that when you prompt for coding in Canvas, it automatically opens up to this new user interface. But if you attach files, it seems like you actually have to write out in dictation, open it in Canvas. So for example, here we have summarized this research paper, open in Canvas. Hit enter. It's opening it up. So with this UI, we have the ability to ask questions over here and then work over here. First major thing, which is cool about Canvas, is that this little shortcut button over here is specific depending on the type of file we're working with. So for the coding video, this was like code specific type of shortcuts. This one is going to be based off it being a PDF and it's an article-based shortcuts. So right now we have the ability to adjust the length, reading level, add final polish, add emojis. I'm not too sure why you would add emojis. I'm actually curious. Let's just add some emojis. Enter. Okay, so this is what happens when you add emojis. Now, obviously, when working through ChatGPT, we don't get the best outputs here. As you see, we got emojis in an article now. To remove these, you have 2 options. Either we go up to this reverse version here, or we can just ask ChatGPT. I'm going to be like, remove emojis. Now, that wasn't perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and just ask for another summary here. Let's start fresh. Proceed. Now, what's cool about ChatGPT, and especially these AI models now, is that it's able to process more data than we saw in the past. So you can put pretty lengthy PDFs in here and be able to actually analyze it. Now, looking at the other features here, we have add finish polish. Don't really need. Reading level is actually kind of funny. What is going on here? Middle school all the way up to graduate school. That's kind of cool. And then right here, we have the ability to adjust length, like standard stuff within PDFs. And then suggest edits, click it. Look at that. A live, different UI experience compared to what we've seen in the past with ChatGPT. What's going on here? And we get some comments. So zooming out here, this actually doesn't seem that bad when it comes to being an editor or helping you write something. So for example, we'll highlight the very specific section here, and we have the choice to actually apply or not. Consider rephrasing explores the transformative potential and the significant risk of artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance clarity and reduce redundancy. And then if I hit a reply here, we should be able to get an output here. All right, pretty good here. Bye-bye Grammarly. Bye-bye. Much better workflow than what we've seen in the past with PDFs. That's cool because I've done a ton of videos when it comes to PDFs and AI. Let me come back into this real quick because I think the most important thing past this then is going to be our ability to download this. That does seem to be a limitation as of now. It seems like the only way we could actually grab this data is going to be using this copy button. Obviously, copy and then paste this text elsewhere. That goes over PDFs. That goes over text. Let's see if this can handle CSV, Excel sheets, etc. Add a file. I have no clue if this is going to work. We're going to try. Attach spreadsheet here. Can you give me the best year from this data? Open Canvas. Let's hit enter. We are analyzing. This had issues of analyzing it, I think possibly because I need to upload it as a CSV. So let me try that. Second try here, same prompt. Now it's a CSV. Let's try it again. That seemed to fix it. So keep that in mind. Use CSVs if you want to analyze data in the context of a spreadsheet. Pretty solid stuff here. Now, I've done a video on how to analyze spreadsheets effectively with ChatGPT. You can check it out right there. That'll go more in depth about everything I'm about to show you right now. What is really cool in this new UI, we seem to have the ability to have suggestions. So for example, analyze profit margins for each year. Let's try that. There we go. Not too bad. Was able to give us the relevant information for each year. Now, one thing I noticed though is that the shortcuts don't seem to be updated in the context of dealing with a different type of data, e.g. a spreadsheet. We still get the same type of situation here where it's add final polish, reading level, adjust length, etc. So I'm thinking this isn't like a native feature in the sense of the purpose of Canvas was to also work with Excel sheets. So keep that in mind. This gets us to our last one here, which honestly, I'm really curious about, is our ability to analyze image-based PDFs, which is going to be a floor plan. Add file. Let's see if this can handle this kind of data here. I'm simply going to put, how would we improve our floor plan here? Use Canvas. So keep that in mind. Sometimes when using Canvas, it will just give you a regular ChatGPT output. Simply putting in the prompt, open this in Canvas, will open in Canvas. Thank you, ChatGPT. And it seems like ChatGPT was trying to analyze this PDF of images, but it wasn't as effective as we would like it to be. This gave very general answers based off that PDF. In addition, our shortcuts are the same. So saying all that, it seems like the limitations to ChatGPT Canvas are two things. And before I say those two things, if you want to see a video showing you how to analyze PDFs with images like the house plan, check out that video right there. But two things. This looks like it's meant for coding, and this looks like it's meant for text-based PDF documents. Both have their value, both have their reasons why you'd start using Canvas, especially the early part of this video where we saw it more like a writing assistant. Other than that, though, make sure to leave a like. It's completely free. Check me out here. I do a ton of different content on a ton of different things when it comes to leveraging AI, your business, software, whatever it may be, and I'll see you in the next video. Are you going to start using Canvas? Or are you just like, no, I don't need this, Corbin. I like Claude. I like Gemini. Okay. I like ChatGPT. Those are two random videos. That's my face. I'll see you in the next video.